Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your marketing contacts into non-marketing ones. This is sometimes really important. It can help you save some cost, optimize your CRM. It can create room for the contacts who are really engaged and sometimes removing those who haven't shown interest in your content. Now, the important step is how you can do it in HubSpot. All you can do, all you have to do is go to the workflows, create a workflow, choose a trigger here, met filter criteria, choosing a contact here. I want to enroll a segment, so choosing it here. Here's the segment I want to enroll. Click next, save and continue. The next step would be to add a delay. It's a really important step. Never ever miss it. I'm going to select here for a set amount of time. I'll add a delay of like 5 minutes. This ensures that all your contacts have successfully enrolled in this workflow. Adding the delay just ensures that everyone is in the workflow and moving to the next step. In the next step, you have to change the marketing contact status. Here in the marketing tab, go and select set the marketing contact status. You want to change the enroll contact status to the non-marketing, so set as non-marketing. Save it right here. Once this is done, you can name your workflow, review and publish it. And once it's published, it will ensure that your marketing contacts are converted to the non-marketing one. But here's the catch here. All your marketing contacts are not converted to the non-marketing one at once. HubSpot updates their status in the next billing cycle. How you can ensure that you have successfully run your workflow? Here is a property for that. The name of the property is marketing contact until next update. It has two states, yes, and the other one is simple dashes. If the state is showing yes for like a particular segment that you have enrolled, you should be sure that in the next billing cycle that their contact status will be updated to non-marketing one. However, if it is like dashes, it will be it's not a healthy sign here. They haven't enrolled in this workflow successfully. So now you have learned that how to convert your marketing contacts into the non-marketing ones, and also that HubSpot doesn't convert your marketing contacts into the non-marketing ones instantly. Rather, it waits until the next billing cycle to do so. So thank you very much from my side. If you have any questions or queries, drop them in the comment section. Feel free to contact us in the comment section. Our Xgrid experts will get back to you with their expert opinion. Thank you so much.